and very nice things, it's time to open up my spring FabFitFun box. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. We do lots of unboxings over here, and today I have got my FabFitFun box for spring in. You guys, I am so excited for some of these products. Like, I am so pumped about this one. I'm gonna be doing a full unboxing here and showing you guys all of the products inside of my box. I'm hoping that with customization opening up very soon for all seasonal members, that this will help you guys to pick which items work best for you. So I've got some goodies in here, so we're gonna go ahead and check them all out today and see what's inside. Now, of course, if you guys are interested in purchasing the FabFitFun box, I have a link down below and I have a coupon code. So I have a 20% off discount code available for anyone that would like to use it. It works off of your first box only. Now, this box is currently shipping, so if you sign up today, use my link and code, you get to customize first, and you can customize most of your box as a seasonal member. If you'd like to customize every single category or all 6 products, you would need to purchase as an annual subscriber. But the nice thing is you're getting in early on the season. Nothing is sold out yet, so you get first dibs on all the products. First item inside of my FabFitFun box today is the Swell Salad Bowl Kit. You guys, I'm in love. This is so much larger in person than what I ever thought it was. Just looking at the Facebook ads, like, this is twice the size I thought it was gonna be. So this salad kit will hold 8 cups of salad inside of it. And it is not your average salad kit, let me tell you. So I'm gonna break it down and show you guys all the different layers of this. But this is one of my favorite items of the entire box. So I highly recommend this one. If you guys are looking at customizing, not sure what to get, this is one I'm gonna put on there as a recommendation for you. The entire container is made of stainless steel, it's BPA free, and it is vacuum insulated. So it will keep everything cold or hot, but typically your salads are cold. You can put it into the fridge and the freezer if you want to. And the best part is, it's dishwasher safe. Hallelujah, you guys. But on top of that, this is also leak proof. So there is going to be a lid up here at the top that is guaranteed to be leak proof and to not spill or lose any of your contents inside. You do have a little handle that you can use, but this is all clear on the top so you can actually see what's inside. They do have a sticker on here. If you guys want to scan it, it will give you more coupons. You can go onto the Swell website, but that's for another day. So this will open here. And I will tell you, it is fairly snug. So you do need a little bit of force. I believe it's snug like that to make it leak proof. So I'm not mad at it, but I did notice there is a little bit of tension there with it. But it's a real sturdy lid, and you can put this in the dishwasher too, which is awesome. And then down below, you're gonna have a little container here. You're gonna notice this spot, which is for your salad dressing. So you can place that right in there, and it's gonna stay in that spot with the lid and it won't move around. This container is also stainless steel and food grade safe. There is a silicone lid on the top here that makes it also leak proof. And you can peel this off, put your dressing inside of this. That way it's separate from your salad greens and it won't get soggy throughout the day. But also, do you see all this space around it? You could put grilled chicken on here. So if you want to put your salad down below, you've got this giant bowl, hold all of your fresh greens, place this on top, put your sliced cooked chicken, put your dressing over here, seal it up, and then you're all set to go. I have used salad containers before, and they will separate the dressing, but they're more of like a plastic cup. They look like those plastic tumblers, and I've had those in the past, and there's a few things that I don't like about them. One, I never felt like they were completely leak proof. Additionally, they weren't dishwasher safe because they were plastic, and if you have a heater on your dishwasher, it would kind of warp them. I ruined a few of them that way. So I know from experience that didn't go over well. But I also felt like they were a mess because you had to shake them up, and it just kind of, I don't know, it just got messy and wet everywhere. I like that this has its own compartment for every single piece. It's not gonna go all over the place, and then you can eat right out of it. It's less mess, it's safe in the dishwasher, and I really do think this is gonna be 100% leak proof because of how strong those lids are. It's just a better mousetrap and I love it, so it's my favorite item of the whole spring box. Next item that I chose for my box, and you guys know me, I love beauty, so I had to pick up some beauty items. This is from Thrive Cosmetics, and it is their Liquid Lash Volumizing Mascara. It is a full-size product. The shade name is called Bryn, but it just means black. And this brand makes one of my all-time favorite mascaras, which is a lengthening mascara. If you've not tried it, I highly recommend it. But I've never used the volumizing version. But I figure, since it's the same brand and all it's doing is volume over length, I would assume this is gonna be equally as good. So of course I had to get it. I wanted to try it out. This is what it looks like. And then like I said, the shade is black and this is your wand. It is so fuzzy. It's also very wide, which I love. So the wand is different than the lengthening one as well. This looks like it's gonna coat your lashes very well because it's long fibers. It's supposed to give you volume. I think it's gonna do that. It also has quite a bit of mascara on it, so I also like that it gives you a really thick coat too. So this one, yes, if you're not sure what to choose in that category, I recommend this product. Next item that I chose for my box is from Malin & Goats, and it is a Strawberry Perfume Oil. Now this is also full size. It comes in at 9 ml of product. I got this product because I'd never tried it before, and I was like, strawberry sounds great. Springtime, I love fragrances. So I took this out earlier and actually put a little bit on my wrist because I wanted to try it out first. I just wanted to see if it was one I could recommend to you guys or not. So I have a few thoughts with this product. So first off, love the brand name. I think it's great that it's in here for FabFitFun. It is a roll-on perfume. So if you prefer sprays, this might not be for you, but I think the roll-on is nice because it's nice and convenient and you can take it with. I did one roll-on one time across and let it dry. It dried down very quickly. The scent is a very strong throw. I was surprised how just having it on my wrist, I smelt it all around me. So it goes a long ways, which is very amazing and impressive. The scent itself, though, I don't get strawberries. I keep trying to look for the strawberry scent and I have nothing, like there's no strawberries in this to me. It is a very strong perfume scent and it smells like fragrance. Like you smell it and you know someone's got perfume on. But I don't smell anything strawberry in this oil. The box said that it's fresh, bright, and unexpected. It's unexpected because I was expecting strawberries and I don't get strawberries. It says that it's also a reimagined interpretation of strawberries and it's been deconstructed. I feel like they deconstructed too much. The name doesn't fit the scent, but I think it smells amazing and I like the scent and I like how strong it is. But I just don't get strawberries. Next item that I chose for my box is going to be the original Swell bottle. I have a Swell water bottle already that I use all the time, and now I'm like, hey, it's one less I have to wash. I can actually go further now. Swell makes triple insulated water bottles. You can put hot or cold inside of this, which is great. I typically only do cold in here and I make it a water bottle, but you can throw coffee in here. I've done tea, like an iced tea. I've also had lemonade. It's great. It stays cold up to 48 hours and it will keep things hot for up to 24 hours. It's also in the matching baby pink color here as our salad bowl. It is eco-friendly, BPA free and reusable, and it's not going to produce any condensation or sweat. This will have a screw off lid here, and then this is our water bottle. And again, because it's triple insulated is why it will stay so hot and so cold so long. Next up, I went with the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. Now this is a product that I use every single day as it is. I've used it for the last 4 or 5 years, and I always buy this from Sephora. So to see it on FabFitFun was a no-brainer. I was like 100%, I am choosing this product because I use it every day. So there are 60 pads inside of this jar, and it is a full-size jar that we have here. The pads themselves will exfoliate and tone when you're using it. So the pad has little bumps that will help to exfoliate, and you'll rub that all over your face and it will take down any texture that you might have. But they've also been soaking in the toner inside of this container, so it's applying that toner at the same time. But out of that category, this is my favorite product just because I use it already. Basically, what I'm telling you is that I am biased towards this product. And the last item that I went with for my box today is from Nude Sticks. This is their Hydra Peptide Lip Butter, and it has shea butters and avocado inside of it. Now, I already tried this product out because, again, I wanted to know, can I recommend it to you guys or not? I have to tell you guys, this is very soft. It makes my lips feel amazing. They are hydrated after using it, but it also has a really nice vanilla scent to it. It's very subtle and I love it. It's just a very nice, comforting fragrance and it feels great. So yes, I do recommend this one. So that is everything inside of my spring box for FabFitFun. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think of my products here today. I hope with customization opening up, you guys will be able to look at this and go, oh yes, I like that. This is what I want. But like I said, if you're not a member yet, you can sign up right now and get first dibs on customizing because that window is open. So you're not going to be behind. You're not going to miss out on anything. You can choose from these products. Out of everything, the salad bowl kit is definitely my favorite, and that's with me being biased with the First Aid Beauty Pads, but I love it. I will use it. It's so genius. I like that it's easy. It is my favorite product. But also, if you guys are interested in seeing some mystery boxes from FabFitFun, they will be coming on my channel very soon. They have not arrived yet, but they are in transit. So as soon as I get them in, I will be putting up an unboxing video for you guys and you can see what I get. So definitely hit that subscribe button down below and you will be notified of when I upload my next video. So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of the day and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!